Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Okay, inside of this premium helmet bag, we have another limited edition helmet from our friends at Alpine Stars. This is the Pedro Acosta limited edition Alpine Star SuperTech R10 helmet. This thing is stunning. It's a nice matte finish. Give you a good 360 here. It comes with a little inspirational message on the spoiler. Shoot to the moon. Even if you fail, you will land between the stars. Pretty cool. Very nice. We've got the dark smoke screen that's included with the helmet, already installed on it. This includes the helmet bag that we showed you, a clear shield, and a protective sock. If you don't like the large GP style spoiler on the back of the helmet, they include the smaller street version. I really don't see many people pulling that off to put that on, but it's in there anyways. Also comes in a protective sock, removable chin curtain. It comes with a pin lock, fog-free lens insert. That's going to work with either the clear or the dark smoke. And they include your first pack of race tear-offs if you plan to use them. Stunning graphic, very limited production. A little to the spendy side. It retails for $13.49 as of the time we're shooting this video, but that's just what things cost today. Great helmet, great graphic. Get yours before they're gone.